People always say, Merry Christmas! But nobody asks, hey, how are you surviving it? Why does Christmas always has to be so stressful instead of peaceful? For the past 27 years, I often find that Christmas is kind of stressful, a lot of expectations, a little bit of pretending. In this video, I'm going to share with you how I avoid Christmas stress, not by being just positive, but by being honest. Towards end of this video, I'm going to show you two easy, healthy recipes. The first one is using lentils to cook curry. This is the first time I tried this method and I absolutely love it. If you are a curry lover, you mustn't miss this. The other dish is the Mediterranean beef patty using goat cheese. And I'm sure you too will love it. Make sure you stay until the end. Christmas need not have to be stressful. In fact, it's supposed to be the opposite. Don't let winter rule you. Use this crucial time to reset your new life in 2026. Christmas is also a time that is kind of sad for me because I really miss home. In Sweden, I think people here are more family orientated. It's like our Chinese New Year. But I find it's really stressful. From the first few years, especially the first 10 years, I was told that you need to decorate your home, you need to change curtains, you need to buy Christmas decoration, you need to put these lights in the window, on every window. But in Singapore, we are more simple. The most we have just one small Christmas tree with a few ornaments and that's it. This year, I do it differently. I do not decorate as much. Actually, Swedish Christmas food is not really that difficult unless you want to make everything from scratch. I would consider Swedish food is quite effortlessly compared to Singapore Chinese New Year. Our Chinese New Year, we prepare the feast like 1-2 days beforehand. So in Sweden too, they do that, which is really smart because then you will have more time with your family. All you need to do is just to warm up the food in the oven. And I think that is the tradition here, that they don't want to spend too much time in the kitchen. They will use that time and spend quality bonding time with the family and the loved ones. I have these 7 rules in order to avoid this Christmas stress, and I'm going to share it with you. Winter is a time where you feel really drained. It's so dark, it's so cold, and you want to use this time to set goal for next year. If you miss my winter arc lock-in video, I'm going to include them. I am quite happy with my progress. I started to clear my kitchen, all the toxic equipment, and on my last video I share with you guys how I clear my pantries, those ingredients that are bad for my health. This video, it's about how I take control of my Christmas stress. These few days I felt really tired, so I prioritized rest because I was like thinking about my Malaysian trip. My rule number 1 is to keep calm and take control of my energy. Resting is not rude, it's a way to maintain your health. Rule number 2 is I try to keep my Christmas small. I don't do so much decoration. I don't cook Christmas food this year. And in fact, I'm quite glad that I can skip that. You not only save money, we can also save a lot of stressful time cooking. Sometimes I felt like it is also quite good not to have a big family, because then it means a lot of responsibility. If you have a big family and you have a lot of responsibility, be smart. Instead of you making all the food, ask everyone to bring like a dish, and then that will save you a lot of time doing everything by yourself. Rule number 3 is learn how to say no without feeling guilt. I don't owe anyone for my exhaustion. You must learn how to say no, because you cannot put on too much pressure on yourself. Sometimes we have to learn how to let go. This is what Christmas is all about. Being a great team and taking care of each other. The Christmas mood here may sound a little bit quiet and a little bit lonely, but I'm okay with that. Loneliness is heavy when we shame ourselves for it. Rule number 5 is lowering our expectation. Actually, he keep asking me, what do you want? What do you want? I said, I don't know. I just want to have peace. I just want to have enough sleep, enough rest, eat some good food, and feel contented. Rule number 6, I create one ritual for me during this time of the year. I felt like I need to rest a lot, and I also feel that I need to feel connected with my soul. I started to meditate lately, and I felt it was so difficult to focus, because when your mind is cluttered with so many plans, it's really, really hard to concentrate. So that's why I have difficulties in sleeping lately. My eye bag is like dumplings now. So I think getting back to the routine, like going for my water gymnastic, going out for a walk. I can't do that because it's really slippery this week. And also I realized that I cook more, and when I'm testing all those new ingredients, it felt like excitement, and it is something that I enjoy and looking forward to it. Rule number 7. Remember, Christmas is just one day. It is definitely not worth your energy and the stress and your health to get so busy, to get so stressed out. Don't have so high expectation on yourself and work your ass off to make everybody happy. If you think that this is really fun, like decorating the whole place is really enjoyable, by all means do that. And I know a lot of you guys are young and you are like struggling with this stress, the financial pressure, the commitment, but you need to think about yourself. Always put yourself first. What is most important? I think that the time together, spending this cozy bonding time, is more important than whatever gifts that you give to your children. And I want to give a message to those of you who spend the Christmas alone. Being alone doesn't mean that you are unlovable. Make use of this time to get a really deep rest. Taking care of yourself doesn't mean that you go and buy all those unhealthy snacks, and treat yourself. Alright, don't. Instead of buying those snacks, buy healthy fruit instead. Me and LG, we are struggling, because we are so used to eating snacks. For the past 2 weeks, we stopped that. It was really, really difficult to replace anything with chips. Alright, it's difficult. Instead of eating chips, we bought a lot of different kinds of fruits, and then we cut them and then we make them into like a fruit salad. And that is really delicious too. In the past, I used to think that I was failing at Christmas, but now I felt like Christmas is failing me. I think Christmas is a choice, and I hope you don't rush, don't stress, take it easy, enjoy this long holiday. This year we have it on Wednesday, right? Woohoo! In my next video, I'm going to show you how I, control my stress level every day from morning till night. I'm going to share with you how I do that, and that has somehow helped me to manage with my stress level and improve my relationship with my partner, more balanced and more at peace. I've never cooked curry with lentils before, so today I'm going to try this new way of cooking. So over here I have some lentils. I'm going to soak this in hot water and let this sit until it becomes soft. First, I mince all my onion, ginger, garlic in a mixer. And in my new Instant Pot, I fried some spice until they are fragrant. Add the olive oil and the rest of the ingredients. I am so pleased with my stainless steel Instant Pot. Now I can eat a healthy meal without fear. If you are like me, love chicken curry, I think you should check out my chicken curry video. I'm going to include that in the video description so you could check it out. Usually, I would serve these with basmati rice, but today, LG said he wants to eat them with bread. As long as I don't eat them too often, I think it should be okay.
Not that bad.
As for this Mediterranean beef patty, here is how I make them. And here is how I season this beef. First, I chop some onion finely, and then I add the beef, followed by the rest of the seasonings. What is so special about this dish is actually the goat cheese that is being rubbed inside this minced meat. We have been to Greece a couple of times, and when I asked the restaurant chef what he put inside, he didn't want to tell me. I bet it is because of this Greek cheese. The other secret that I found out is that they use the fresh bread, soak them in milk, and then mix them in the minced meat. When you use pork meat, the color you notice is not that appetizing, so I add a pinch of black soy sauce. It gives the patty a more darker brown color. I roll the patty with some flour, and instead of frying it, I'm baking this in the oven. My goal for 2006, a healthier lifestyle, is not to eat fried food. First, grate half of a cucumber, remove the water, and then use a mortar with some garlic and salt, and make sure you get this into a smooth paste. Followed by some lemon juice and the garlic paste, and with some lemon zest. Then add the goat cheese, crush it, and followed by some yogurt. Then I add a dash of olive oil to garnish it. Have a taste. It tastes really, really good. I eat this with some mixed fruits and vegetables. I serve this with my leftover couscous which I made yesterday and top up with my meat patty. Look at that. OMG. This is so good. I think you should try it. And if you do, let me know if you like them. I hope you give this video a hype if you enjoy this, and I'll see you in my next. Have a peaceful, quiet Christmas, and may all the things that you wish for, especially peace, this Christmas. Bye bye.